Bernsey, what do you got?
Got the clutch fan for the 62 Bird. The one we've been looking for like, what, a year now?
Oh, yeah, the fan clutch?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one that only took us 4 different vendors to send us the right thing.
See if it actually fits.
Are we...
Oh, look at that.
Are we pregnant?
We are pregnant.
Woohoo!
All right, real quick, guys. Just in case you're working on the same thing, having the same problem we had.
There it is. Eckler's apparently is the only one with this. Short with the wide fan bolt circle.
Yep.
It's cold. We can see our breath.
Yes, it is.
Keep sucking.
All right. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update.
There it is.
Maybe if it stops raining long enough, I'll bring the car around.
And we can pop it on.
Yeah, slap it on the car.
Slam
Call
your
that
bolts
good.
in there and let's do it, eh?
Bolts are in the car.
All right. Well, we'll go get those in a bit.
Yep.
But look at that. It's it. That's the right one. Scotty, look.
Ready, everybody? Break! Dude, I knew you were fucking brain dead.
I am.
Rainy day, special needs day.
I've heard of a jar head, but not a box head.
I only eat the red
Oh,
crowns.
maybe what was that band that had
Wait,
the
Blue
box,
Crowns.
the box people?
The box people. What?
The box people.
That's Buckethead.
Okay, wait a minute. And I'm the one that's accused of doing drugs, and I'm older than everybody here, and I have no fucking clue what he was talking about.
I thought he was talking about Conehead.
Buckethead?
No.
Marshmallow?
Damn, I'm the Google.
Smashbox? Or no, that's Smash Mouth.
Smash.
Yeah, that guy's dead.
I used to do that too.
What was his name? Oh my god. Anyway. Boom.
Just
Done.
like that.
Yay.
All right. Well,
Victory.
I'll go set this in the car, so hopefully it stops raining for a while later on.
Dire
and
Straits.
Oh yeah. Money for
When
nothing and
they
your
had
chicks
the
for
little
free.
box head people.
Oh yeah.
I want my MTV.
Yes.
You want your STDs?